Okay, YouTubers, back again. Sofa King Tactical, episode 2, part 4, I think. The Glock that ain't. Last time we were having extraction problems with this factory ammo in the brass case. The last box I bought was nickel plated, American made. This is American made, brass cased. I don't know what the difference is. I was getting 1861 out of the nickel plated stuff. I want to see what the brass case stuff is doing. If it's faster, if it's overpressure, I don't know. I took the gun home, I cleaned the crap out of it, pulled the slide apart, took the extract out because it didn't seem to want to pull cases out. Right. There's some grit in there. I don't know if it mattered. Put it all back together, oiled it up real good. Loaded up also 50 rounds, hand loads with the accurate TCM powder. Gonna give them a try, see if they run. See what happens. Stand by. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know if that's accurate or not. 2020 is what they claim. They claim 2,000 feet per second. But if you see, the ES is 500 feet per second. If that's right, that's terrible. We'll see what my ammo does. I don't know if it's clouds and sun or what, but this chronograph's usually pretty good. Doesn't struggle. 1784, 1826, but then we got 3 of them in the 2200s, 4 of them, and then back into the 1800s, which is kind of what I expected. But yeah, if that's the situation, if we're picking up 400 feet per second, there's definitely a problem with this box of ammo. Stand by, I'm going to load up some of my hand loads. We'll see what they get. All right, here we go. 9.6 grains of the TCM powder from Accurate, 40 grain cast bullet coated with high tech. I think that was actually slower than my 9.5 grain load. Bit more consistent though than the factory stuff was. 1688 on the average, at the ES is 78. All right, I got 40 more rounds of this. So far everyone's gone bang. I think our trigger issue's fixed. I'm going to put the 40 through pretty quick, hang up some steel, and see if we can heat it up, make it stop extracting like it was with that factory stuff. And wish me luck. We got the Sofa King Princess over there. I don't know, doing some kind of dance. Not really sure. You may recognize her from our terrible intro video, episode 0. Alright, YouTube, feeling too lazy to put the steel up, so I'm just going to shoot these reactive targets I got out here. I got 40 rounds loaded up into 3 magazines. See if we can get through them without a hitch. Get this thing running. one of those malfunctioned. Another light primer strike. We went on the second one. Got a misfeed, nose up. Another light primer strike. And a nose up misfeed. And that's it. That's 40. It's crazy hot. So the misfeeds don't make any sense. It's a bottleneck. It's supposed to be the most reliable design there is, but you know, kind of out of my control. The light primer strikes, there were 2 of them in that 40, which is a lot better. Well, 2 of them out of now we put 59 through it just now with 2 of those light primer strikes. They fired on the second one, so the ammo's not the issue. I don't know. Maybe we do need more spring in there. Maybe if I could get some viewers, somebody could weigh in and give me some more ideas. Not sure. But we'll keep playing with it. It's definitely a lot better than it was with only a couple hundred rounds through it. I don't know. Maybe something's still dragging in there. The trigger definitely feels weird right before those light primer strikes. Like it's, I don't know how to explain it. It's mushy. You can tell as I shoot the gun more, I can tell when I'm going to get one of those. But I'm definitely happy with 2 out of 59 versus the 2 out of every 3 times I pulled the trigger previously. So next up, I got to cast a ton of bullets for this thing, coat them. I'll probably load up 3, 4, 500 of them and keep fiddling. But for now, obviously something's wrong with these. My chronograph acted pretty normal with my hand loads. I don't know if I'm going to contact Arms Corps. I've contacted Rock Island Armory. It hasn't really gotten me anywhere. I would assume I'm going to have the same luck with Arms Corps. So I might just pull these down and reload them and just not buy factory ammo ever again. 4,500 ES is horrible, and 2,200 feet per second is way faster than I've ever heard of out of this round. So something's going on there. All right, well, once I get everything loaded up, we'll come back, we'll do a part 5, see if I can't get this trigger spring or striker, not trigger spring, striker spring, whatever's going on with this thing figured out, and get it to 100% reliability, or at least close enough for, you know, a handmade project. It was pretty fun. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for coming out. Sofa King Tactical, out.